Hello everyone, welcome to yet another edition of the Hall of Healers interview. And today I have with me teacher Taruna Sharma. All right. So today really let's dive deep into the powerful health transformation of Taruna ji. Taruna ji, welcome to the Hall of Healers. Yes, Taruna ji, let's go into this health journey of yours and understand. So first of all, before you really came into Self Healers Hub and started getting coached in the one-to-one with me, what were your biggest challenges, Taruna ji, if you want to put it across?
Yes, sir. I was going through a lot of challenges. The first thing is I had a very bad hair, a lot of hair loss due to the chemicals that I was using. I was having a lot of acidity, and I had a lot of cravings for food, and I used to eat anything and everything, whatever I used to get.
Yes. In essence, if I were to put it, you had acidity problems, you had the hair loss problem, and there is a lot of cravings of food and sugar. Did I get that right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And one more thing, like due to this, I was very depressed and I was not happy. I was not feeling good.
Okay, so you're depressed and not happy and not feeling good. Got that. Got it fully, Tarunaji. So Tarunaji, please let everyone know who's watching. So what do you do? So what do you really do for a living, like for work?
So actually, I am a teacher. So I had a very busy schedule. And but I somehow got to know about your Self Healers Hub. So I thought of attending the session, the free session, and then I thought, yes, I should try for it. So once I got into it, I started seeing results, and that motivated me for being regularly on this platform for getting all the things done. And Sachin, you as a mentor, definitely it's really good to have you. Like all the way throughout the process, you have guided me each and every step. And Sachinji, what I like the most is like it's not like other things that we have over the net and a very strict schedule or some diet kind of thing. And it's very easy thing that you tell, the simple and small things, and those things, they make a lot of difference. And I see those differences in me.
I got you. I got you. I can really get from your voice the excitement and the power, the simple transformations you had. So I really got you, and I really thank you for sharing this with everyone. So Tarunaji, I want to really ask you, what motivated you to work with me? So what really motivated you to work with me and sign up for the one-to-one and into the self-healers of coaching? So what really motivated you?
So truly, actually speaking, I was not aware of this, Self Healers Hub. Like one of my friends just sent me a link, and I thought, okay, I should try this because I was going through many things, but I was not getting results over there. So I thought, chalo, theek hai, I should try with this also. So I just joined it, and I said, okay, let's do this. So when I started, I thought, oh, it is so simple that I can implement in my life and I can do it easily. So that motivated me. Like without any efforts, I could see results in me.
Awesome. Awesome. Really, that's so great. So what I got from you is, you were trying a lot of things, however, not giving you much results, and you're like, okay, let's try this.
Yes.
And now we are in this beautiful transformation. Got that. Great. You're not giving up,
Yes.
and clinging on is so powerful, so powerful. All right. So really now, if you want to put it, what were your top changes in health, right, Tarunaji, after you started, getting coached and taking action? So after joining the coaching program, what were the biggest health transformations you have experienced in your life right now?
So as I started, like I was having very bad hair. So now my hair loss has reduced to 70%. Like I don't face that much hair loss now. And acidity is also reduced to like to great extent, like maybe 75 to 80% acidity has gone now.
Wow.
Yes, and like the other things, I used to feel very low energy and was not able to work throughout the day. And these days, like yes, I have the energy to the maintained energy.
Maintained energy. So how did this
Yes.
happen? the maintained energy? What is the secret?
Yes, sir. By watching your videos and like whatever tips and breakthroughs that I got from you, implementing those made a lot of difference.
Awesome. So how are your cravings right now? You mentioned you had a challenge of cravings in the starting of the video.
Yes, sir.
How are your cravings right now?
Sir, I had a very, very strong craving for sugar, for sweets, and I used to eat every day, every day, every day. So I observed, like you had guided me about the sugar challenge. I tried it for 2 weeks and it really worked. Now I'm free from sugar. Like I don't have the cravings at all. I don't feel like eating sugar now.
Awesome.
I don't feel like eating.
See, this is total freedom, Tarunaji. Really, this is total freedom. So what I got from you is your hair loss reduced by 70%. Your acidity, is gone by 80%. Now you feel happy. Now you feel, free from sugar. When you did this, when you did the, coaching, and when you started observing the mental health changes inside you. So you see, so how much time this happened for you? Like if you want to put it in a time frame.
Like 3 months span, it took me to do the changes. Initially, 15 days, I was not much into it. Like I was following the methods that you were telling, but after that, suddenly then I started seeing changes in me. And towards the end, yes, now it's completely, I'm like free from everything now. That depression, that anxiety, all those disorders, they have just, yes. And one more thing, Sachinji, my hormonal thing has also improved. I had hormonal imbalance, so that also has improved now.
It's just simple things, right? And that happened in 3 months. So you were trying for how long? You were trying for how long in other places? Or, we are trying a lot of places to get results. So how long you were really trying to reduce all acidity, hair loss, your health challenges? How long you were trying to, overcome this?
Sir, maybe around 6 to 7 years I was trying. Wow. But I was just getting temporary relief from the medicines that we have from the market.
So 6 to 7 years, you had this struggle, but just in 3 months. Wow.
Yes, sir.
See the power of just simple changes, simple, powerful changes in Ayurveda. Really awesome. And this is such inspiration, really. And Tarunaji, I really acknowledge you for taking that action. Really acknowledge you for trusting the process. Really acknowledge you for investing on yourself. Or else it would not have happened, right?
Yes, sir.
So really, it would have not have happened. Nothing would have moved. You did 3 things. You invested money, time, and energy in yourself and in your health. And now you see, if I want to put a number, Tarunaji, if you want to put a number to your ROI, so let's say you invested X amount of money, and what is the ROI of health for you right now, of that money for you?
Sir, it's like I cannot put it into words and cannot put it into any number. It is beyond. Like it's far beyond imagination. It's priceless what I got from you.
Thank you, Tarunaji. Really means a lot to me, and really I'm deeply grateful to you. So, Tarunaji, there are a lot of people, who say, I don't have money to invest. Now I'm too busy to invest. I'll, do it after 2 months, not right now, no time, no energy to take care of health. So, you would also have been gone through the phase, but now you are really transformed. So, Tarunaji, this transformation will sustain because it came from you, from inside you, from within you. Now, what I want to ask you is, what is that one nugget, if you want to give to all the persons who feel that, no time, no money, no energy to take care of my health? What is that one nugget you want to give everyone through your personal transformation that you have gone through right now?
So, like what I feel is time was not a big barrier for me. Like one-to-one coachings, they help me a lot. Actually, now I feel bad that the session is going to end and I won't be having these things. But I would really like to be in this throughout the lifetime. But yes, time like it's only 2 days in a week I used to have your calls and the inner circle. So yeah, that was the only thing, and rest is in the mornings. I used to take out some extra time, like 10-15 minutes exercise. It's not like 1 hour and 2 hours. 10 to 15 minutes, that much we can easily manage.
Yes. So you're saying, time is not a barrier. We can easily manage even though you are busy.
Yes.
But even though you're busy, you can do this. That's what you're saying,
Yes.
right? I really got it. So, busyness is not a barrier for health. So
For
you have
health.
proved that.
Yes,
Really,
sir.
you also having your busy lifestyle. You're a teacher, you're having the busy lifestyle, you would have to travel everywhere, you're not traveled from home to college, everything you also have. However, you rose above all your excuses and you made this happen.
Yes, sir.
Really, really awesome, Tarunaji, and really I am inspired by your transformation.
Sir,
Truly.
all the credit goes to you. Like, you were there throughout to guide me. Without your guidance, it wouldn't have been possible.
Tarunaji, I would like to really reiterate one thing, before we really end this powerful interview is one thing, you already have the power inside you, okay? My job is to just guide you, all right? And the full credit for this, I'm just a medium, and full credit for you transforming yourself goes to you, okay? And you have done it by taking action and following the process and trusting the process and, trusting the mentor and investing in yourself. And this has made magic for you. Really awesome.
Yes.
Awesome, Tarunaji. And if you're someone who's watching this video and got inspired, I would like you to click the link below in this description and go ahead and get started on your health journey with Self Healers Hub. Okay, just click on the link in the description. And Tarunaji, really inspired by your health journey. May you keep reaching new heights in your health. All right.
Thank you, Sachin.
All right. So thank you guys for watching this powerful interview. Until we meet again, be healthy, be happy, and be unique.